In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a service page on Wix. If you've ever found yourself struggling with website design or just want to enhance your online presence with a professional touch, you're in the right place. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up a service page on Wix, making sure you're equipped with all the necessary skills to tailor it to your business needs. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to head over to wix.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have one, it's easy to sign up, and you'll find yourself navigating their intuitive platform in no time. After you've logged in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the control center for all your site building activities. Next, locate the Pages and Menu tab on the left side of your editor. This is your gateway to managing the different sections of your website. Clicking on Pages and Menu will present a list of all your current web pages. This area is essential for organizing your site's content and ensuring visitors can easily find the information they're looking for. Now, within the